It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? It starts with the sound. I heard some of you say it. We are in March. And what number comes after 7? Do you know? Well, think when you're counting 7. I heard some of you say 8. Let's look at the hundreds chart. The number after 7 is 8. Let's go ahead and get that number. It is March 8th, 2022. Let's put this on the calendar. And what day of the week are we on today? Do you know? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know what today is? It's a terrific what? Tuesday, Tuesday. Did you remember that? If you did, pat yourself on the back. Let's go ahead and get that word. Today is Tuesday. And do you know what yesterday was? Well, think. What day is before Tuesday? Here's Tuesday. The day before is Monday. Monday. Did you remember that? So yesterday was Monday. And do you know what tomorrow will be? Well, think. What day comes after Tuesday? Let's look at Tuesday. Here's Tuesday, and the day after is Wednesday. Wednesday. Did you remember that? If you did, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. And we're still in what season? Do you remember? We're still in winter. And the weather got much colder. Um, Before we go to the weather, do you remember when March officially becomes spring? Because I know it's here on our Seasons and Months resource. What date? I heard some of you say it. March 20th will be the change from winter to spring, and that's when we'll see the month of March fall in this season. So we have a little bit more time until that happens. Let's describe today's weather. What's it like? We're in Northern Virginia right now. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. It's kind of cloudy and kind of sunny. Do you remember what that's called? It's called partly cloudy. Let's get partly cloudy. It's going to be, and you know what? It's definitely cloudy as well. Partly cloudy and cloudy. There's sun and clouds. So it is also very cold. It is going to be in the 30s, 40s, and 50s today. So it is definitely cold. Let's go ahead and figure out how many days you've been in school. Do you know? Well, what number comes after 113? Think when you're counting, mathematicians. Here's the number 113. What number is after? I heard some of you say it. Think 113, 100. What do you think? I heard some of you say it. Let's go ahead and look at our hundreds chart. And we always use this as a resource. We already have the hundreds. So you can think about 113. Think about, you already have the 100 in your brain. Let's get that 13. The number after is 14. Let's go ahead and make 114. Did you know that that was the number? That's the one I heard some of you say. All right, kindergartners, expert mathematicians, let's go ahead and say this number. 114. We have 100, 110, 4 ones. Let's get one counting rod. Add the one counting rod to the ones pocket and start with our 100. Let's go ahead and count. Say 100. Keep the 1 in your brain. 100. Now let's get the 110. Did you keep the 100 in your brain? 110. Now, keep the 110 right in your brain because we're going to put the ones with it. Okay, we have 4 ones. Kept the 110 in your brain? 111, 112, 113, 114. 14. All right, let's put the 4 ones back and do our tally mark. We're going to go ahead and pull straight down. Ooh, tomorrow we'll be able to cross another group of 5. Okay, let's go ahead and skip count by 5s 22 times and put the 4 ones with it. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 105, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. Wow, so many days learning together in kindergarten. Let's write today's date. Need something to write on and something to write with. Let's start with an uppercase letter M for March 8th, 2022. Capital M-A-R-C-H. Spells March. Finger space, write the number 8. Comma, finger space, 2022. Write that down and practice reading it, mathematicians. March 8th, 2022.